Hello everyone! Welcome to my gala adventure at nandito tayo sa Tribal Village and Butterfly Sanctuary here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Excited na akong i-share sa inyo ang experience ko dito, kaya let's roam around! Ang unang in-avail namin ay isang city tour at isa ito sa mga itinerary namin, ang Butterfly Sanctuary and Tribal Village. Before the tour, magkaroon muna ng short orientation tungkol sa mga attractions at mga guidelines na dapat sundin habang nasa loob ng sanctuary.
Fully grown size na po yan. And then yung mga lalaki nag-open up po ng feathers if they want to attract the females, just like that. Yan din po ang official seal or logo ng Puerto Princesa since 1970.
The moment you entered, mapapansin mo na agad ang napaka-relaxing na ambience ng place. Ang entrance pa lang, maramdaman mo na ang connection mo with nature.
Bear cut na siya. Oh, bear cut. Bear cut.
Aside from the beautiful butterflies, marami ring iba pang hayop na makikita dito. Ang mga hayop na ito ay bahagi ng wildlife ng Palawan at inaalagaan sa sanctuary upang makatulong sa conservation at upang makilala ng mga bisita ang mayamang biodiversity ng isla. Dito makikita ang iba't ibang species ng butterflies, especially those native to Palawan. Habang naglalakad tayo, mapapansin din ang iba't ibang halaman at puno na nagsisilbing natural habitat at food source ng mga butterflies. Hindi lang ito isang tourist attraction, kundi isa rin itong conservation site. And sanctuary helps protect butterfly species while educating visitors about the importance of biodiversity and environmental conservation. Dumako na naman tayo sa Tribal Village. And honestly, ito ang isa sa pinaka-memorable na bahagi ng ating tour. Dito mas nakilala natin ang isa sa mga indigenous communities ng Palawan.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the second part of your tour. This is Tribal Village. Okay? We are here to meet one of the indigenous people of Palawan. They're Palawan tribe.
They welcomed us warmly and shared their culture, traditions, and way of life. Isa rin sa mga highlights ng visit ay ang kanilang traditional dance and music performance. Every dance and every beat tells a story about their history, celebrations, belief, and strong connection with nature. Ipinakita rin nila ang ilan sa kanilang survival skills, tulad ng paggawa ng apoy gamit ang natural materials at paggamit ng mga traditional na kagamitan sa pang-araw na pamumuhay.
This is Tribal Village. So we are here to meet one of the indigenous people of Palawan. In mainland of Palawan, we compose of three major tribes. The first one is Tagbanwa, the second one is Batak, and third are the Palawan tribe. If you're familiar with the Tabunman or Caveman, they're possible descendants. So since 1976, this place became their temporary or shelter home of them. It's away from mountain. Some of them just stay here for a couple of days, week, and month. After that, they go back at the mountain. So another set of family will go down here. At the same time, they will bring product and sell it back in the garden. This place is a livelihood program for them because suddenly we notice that the culture and tradition are now slowly disappearing because of what we call life modernization. But at least here we encourage them to continue and to practice their culture and tradition. Don't worry, some of them can speak Tagalog and little bit of English because they have access of education. Okay, she will show you something and please hold that one and pass it to the others. Okay, that one that you're holding, they called bagtik. Bagtik is a sap or resin from almasiga tree. Of course, it was sticky liquid. After a few months or weeks, it will turn like that one. So here in the city, we need that because that's the main ingredients in making nail polish, fiberglass, paints, varnish, and other related product. And also, that's a main Okay, this is a native backpack of them that I called bucket. They use for the heavy product like bagtik, that one that you're holding. The adult can carry 30 to 50 kilos of bagtik that they will bring up and down the mountain. She said if it's heavy, don't worry because they have head support to carry even more weight. Right over there, that's the real bucket with bagtik that they will bring up and down in the mountain. And also, Palawan tribe are music lover. That's why they have own instrument. So the first one is gimbal. Gimbal is the native drum of them. Gimbal is made of Hollywood with a cord. On top, they covered animal skin. This one is cow skin. At the back, we have agong for larger one and the two smaller they call sana. They believe in the herd echoes of boom in the mountain. They are communicating with the spirit of their ancestor. So now they're going to play together with the set called basal or basal set. Okay, the next one they called aradine. Okay? On top, they put beeswax to adjust the sounds. Through vibration of their mouth, they can create an amazing sound. Okay, so they can prepare their stuff. Okay, look at the drawing board.
Wow. Wow.
Native cotton is to catch the spark. Okay? The process called santikan, form of friction. Okay? So the green one, they call sahing or salom. It came from the sap of wild tree. And that's the native torch of them because there is no access of electricity. That's part of their